Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we are going to explore an ancient Chinese character. Its pronunciation is
山
It means mountain, as well as things that resemble a mountain. When this character is combined with other characters, it forms many common words. For example,
山峰
means a high mountain peak,
山村
means a village located in the mountains,
山顶
means the top of a mountain. Now, let's take a look at how this character evolved throughout history. In the earliest Oracle bone script, this character looked like a drawing of a mountain. As the writing system gradually became standardized, the character was simplified until it eventually took on the stroke-based form we use today. Let's practice reading this character together.
山山山
It is a single component character made of just 3 basic strokes: a long vertical stroke, a horizontal turning stroke, and a short vertical stroke. Have you memorized them? Now, let's try writing the character stroke by stroke. Remember the golden rule of writing Chinese characters? From top to bottom and from left to right. Pay attention. The long vertical stroke in the middle reaches the top of the character, so we write it first. Next comes the horizontal turning stroke on the lower left, and finally, the short vertical stroke on the lower right. The character
山
is also a very common radical. It often appears in other characters, sometimes on the left side, on the top, or even at the bottom. Whenever you see a character with this radical, it usually relates to something connected with mountains. Can you write this character on your own now?